Welcome back to another video on Hamster Kombat. Today we are going to claim our daily cipher as usual. So guys, you go straight to the point. Here you click on the daily cipher, which is now blinking, to activate the cipher mode. And the word for today is just a 3 letters word. So now let me show you the letters. You need the following letters. You need A, you need L, and you need T. And for A we need dot dash. For A we need dot dash. We need dot dash. And then for L we need dot dash dot 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 dash dot 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 dash dot dot, and finally T dash. Alright guys, we have gotten our code for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.